governance is different from a larger political imagination, and both are very important. Both are very, very important. Once that political direction has been set, then it is your job to govern. And let me say, West Bengal did a very successful Operation Barga, which transformed lives for the first 10, 15 years. But they couldn't continue it beyond that, because you can't continue on agriculture forever and forever and forever. So governance has a certain role. Politics has a certain role, and we must not confuse these roles. I mean, a lot of times, a lot of people, IAS officers think that no, we don't make policy. Our job is to contribute to that policy. I mentioned very clearly that Mantrana is very different from Prabhu Shakti. And Prabhu Shakti in democracy comes from the people. That Prabhu Shakti is absolutely important. The Indian freedom movement had the advantage of people backing it up. You see, and without mincing words, what is the Muslim League compared to what the Congress was? I mean, the Congress of those days. The Congress of those days had Madan Mohan Malviya. The Congress of those days had Jinnah. The Congress of those days had, Acharya Narendra Dev. The Congress of those days had the CSP. They had everything in it. So, Congress of those days was a national movement. Yeah. And that national movement had the backing of everybody. Yeah. So, that is the difference between what happened to us and what happened to Pakistan. So, Pakistan could not have, I mean, if Jinnah had survived another 5-10 years, I mean, you read Ishtiaq Ahmed's book on Jinnah, everything becomes very clear. I mean, he was not very clear about what he wanted. He was, I mean, he hated the Congress, he hated Gandhi, but he was not entirely very fond of the Muslim state that he got. He called it a moth-eaten, truncated Pakistan. The moment he realized that Calcutta is not going to East Bengal, he forgot about